What's up, guys? We're testing out the touchless car wash today. So now that I'm in an apartment complex, I don't have access to the shop anymore where I used to just wash my own car there with the water hookup, pressure washer, foam cannon, all that. Now I got to revert to some other options. Obviously, I don't want to drive through a machine with the brushes and all that. So I'm gonna go for one of these touchless machines. You pull in and the thing just basically like CNC machine goes around the car with the pressure washer, the foam, the rinse, all that. So I figure if it's not touching the car, I can't really do any damage to it. Kind of hoping to just get the debris and the dust and stuff washed off, and then I can go pull out where the vacs are and do a towel finish on it, a little spray wax, whatever, finish the car off. All right, we're in the machine. The little thing is working its way around the car. Looks like it's doing a rinse and some foam. So we'll see how this works out. Touchless car wash. Here's the back and the options. We just did the $8 express wash. Simple, bare bones. That's all I needed. Alright, we're over in the drying area. Got the vacs over here. It looks okay. I mean, definitely needs to be hand toweled and then wiped down when you're done. It's definitely a little bit of some water spots, still some stains I had from the car sitting out. But overall, not bad. Pretty much got everything off. Like I said, just needs to be hand finished, which isn't a big deal. I just need the bulk of the wash done, and then as long as the debris is off it, I can hand finish it myself. So, pretty good. I just brought my bucket with my drying towels, got some microfibers. I did bring a wash mitt in case I was going to use the self-wash station, but after I saw the brushes with the foam, I was like, that's probably not a good idea. I don't think you can get soap out of just the pressure washer. I think that's for rinse. And then I just brought my quick detailer that I'll finish wiping the car down with. Now it's dry. I got my window cleaner and then my tire mud gel. Put that on with the foam applicator. So just a quick little maintenance wash for today. It came out pretty good, I think. Here's some of the bays, touchless automatic hand wash. Got awnings, cover the car while you dry them off, finish them. It's pretty nice. Vacuums. All right, now that we're done with that, let's go for a drive.